So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a trading EA on cTrader, right? So a trading EA is basically an automated strategy that places trades on your behalf. But not all EAs are for placing trades. Some are for risk management, some are for position sizing, and a lot of other things that you can do with an EA. It's not only for placing trades. But the difference between cTrader and MetaTrader is that if you are running your trading EA on MetaTrader, you are going to need a VPS so that your EA is always running. But if you are using it on cTrader, you can use the cTrader cloud platform, which is completely free. You don't have to buy a VPS. So let me show you how to run the EA on your cTrader platform, right? So the first step that you need, obviously, you need to build the EA. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to build the EA on cTrader using AI if you stick around in this video. But before we do that, let me show you how easy it is to run the EA. So first step is obviously to get the EA. So you can build it as I said before. But also if you click the link in the description, you can get an EA that runs on cTrader. It's called the Gold Apex Pro. Now this EA have managed to take a $300 account to 1,600. So you can see all the backtest and everything that I'm talking about if you click the link in the description and you come to this page right here where you can see everything that I'm talking about. So make sure you click the link in the description and visit this link and get yourself the Gold Apex Pro. Now let's go to cTrader and let me show you how easy it is to run. So let's say you have gotten this EA for yourself, right? And now you want to run it on your cTrader platform. What do? So when you get this EA, you are going to get this algo file, right? This is basically the file that you get after you build the EA. So what you want to do is once you get the EA, you download this file to your computer or to your phone, and then you double click it right here, right? Okay, so once you open the file that you download, right, it's going to open cTrader and you are going to see this pop-up window right here, right? So it says Gold Apex Pro, right? So to start this bot, choose a running option. You can run it in cloud or you can run it locally, right? Here, right? So if you run it locally, you can change any account that you want. You can test it on a demo account, but if you go to the cloud, you have to use a real account, right? When you also want, you can change some parameters of the EA right here. But if you want to learn all of that I said, you should click the link in the description. But for now, let's say we want to run it on the cloud platform. We just then choose start cloud. Once you do this, the EA is going to be uploaded to the cloud platform of cTrader, and then it's going to be running. Now maybe you cannot get the Gold Apex Pro right now. You want to know how to build an EA for yourself. Let me show you in a few minutes how simple it is to build a trading EA on cTrader using AI, right? AI is going to do the coding for you, but firstly you are going to do a little bit of work for you to get a working strategy and then build the strategy with it. Okay, now let me show you how to do this. So when you open cTrader, if you are not using EAs, right, you are going to open up on this page right here. What you want is you want to find here where it says algo right here. You click here, right, and then you want to click on new, right? So click on new right here, and then it says yours might not look like this. It might look like this. You can click here where it says create algorithm right here. So you click here where it says create algorithm, or you can click this new button right here, and then you have build new algorithm, right? Once you build this new algorithm, right, you want to click next, and then you choose cbot, and then you want to name. So it's going to be a test here right here. So let me just say YouTube tutorial, right? So, and then we are going to click next. Here you have to choose the language that you want to build the EA in. I would say if your EA is complicated, you can build in this language right here, which is the C language right here, or you can choose Python, right? I'm going to choose this one right here, and then you click start from scratch, and then you click OK. Now you are going to open the C Algo platform. This is where you are going to be placing your trade, right? Now, let's connect EA and let's see how we use EA. Now, first of all, if you want to build a strategy with EA, first of all, you want to make sure that you have the strategy written completely and you understand everything about the strategy, because if you try to have EA create the strategy for you, it's not going to create a good strategy. Trust me, I've tried this a lot of times. You have to have the strategy yourself, and then you tell AI exactly what the strategy is, and then tell it to build the strategy for you, right? So what we are going to do is you are going to go to Google Gemini, and then I have already have the strategy, and I've already wrote a prompt, right? A prompt is basically how you communicate to the EA, telling it exactly what you want. So you have to be as specific as possible, especially on trading robots, right? Now I have already written the instruction right here. Create a simple automated trading bot on the C language, and then what is the strategy rules, where should we buy, what is the stop loss, and what is the time frame, and everything like this, right? And then I'm just going to click OK here. So once I do this, Gemini is going to write the code for me, and then I will use the code in the cTrader platform, right? So I'm not going to go very in detail about this. If you guys want to learn how to use AI and connect it to your trading and do things like building trading robots, building trading tools, analyzing the market using AI, and all other things, right? Because we have to expand. We can't just to stick to one thing, right? So we have to expand. If you guys want to learn more about those things, just let me know in the comments. Just type in AI as your comments. You can see that the code have been built right here. So we have the code written, and these are the instructions. This is the instructions that I gave it. Now we want to copy here, and you want to go back to cTrader. We come to this page right here, and then we want to select everything, delete things that came with cTrader, and then you paste your code, right? Once you do this, you want to click on build right here. So we'll connect our demo account and test. So the demo account is connected, right? So as you can see, it says build successful, which means this code you have no error. This code you have no error. The robot is already ready. Now this doesn't happen often. This is because it's a very simple strategy. I just created to buy when the market is above the moving average and sell when the market is below. So it's very easy. That's why there's no error. If you try to build a complicated strategy, or is a strategy that requires a lot of lines, like 3,000, 4,000 lines of code right here, like the Gold Apex Pro, for example, it's going to give you some errors, and you have to go back and forth, back and forth. You can do this maybe for a long period of time. And then once you do this, you also want to keep chatting with the AI and improving it, because most of the time your first results are going to be nowhere near perfect. But for now, you already have the EA. So if you click on the EA, we select the Euro USD. We now open the EA is now here. We can backtest it. So let's go to backtesting. So to backtest, all you have to do is select the dates that you want right here, and then you click on run right here. So it's going to load the data, and then the EA is now ready. Now as this runs, I want to say that if you wanted to see the difference between a simple EA like this and an EA that took years to build, I will leave a link in the description, as I said, so that you can go and see the backtest for the Gold Apex Pro. It took us months to build and another month to backtest and improve until it is where it is now. Go and check it out. Now the EA is now here. So now what we want here is we want to run the backtest. Okay, so now you can see this is the backtest. This is how the EA performed. It starts off with a very much losses, and then went up, went down, went up, went down. But basically it's going up and down in the same zone. You're not losing a lot of money, but you're not making money either, because it's a very simple EA, as I said, right? If we want to improve this, I think we can improve this. If you go to the trade statistics, you can see we have a loss right here. It's just a test EA. You can see the positions right here. We can go to history to see all the positions. So you can see most of these are losses, but also have some good wins along the way. So in a few minutes, we have managed to build this simple EA, right? So if you guys want to learn how to do this, let me know in the comments. We can also create another EAs together if you want, if you guys want to do that. So if I see some interest in the comments, we are going to build an EA like this. So these are the results, and you can see the EA is working perfectly. Obviously it needs improvement, and obviously there's a lot of things that I need to do with this. The most important thing is you need a strategy. Now, if you guys want to see the difference between an EA like this and an EA that took years to build, make sure you click the link in the description and see the backtest for the Gold Apex Pro and see how you can get it if you want it too. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.